Chad, may I speak to you a moment?
Sure, Professor Appenstall, what gives?
Chad, my boy, I did not receive your project that was due yesterday.
I'm sorry, it entirely slipped my mind. You see, I have been working very hard, Professor Appenstall, and I had many things due at the same time. I felt like I was juggling 4 balls at once, and unfortunately, your ball dropped. I am new here, and I am still trying to get the hang of things, you know.
Well, my boy, let me ask you a question. Did you actually complete the project?
Well, you see, Professor Appenstall, things have been really hard for me. I am not used to this level of work, and I have been trying to make friends, and this doesn't leave me with a lot of time. Without friends, I am likely to develop major depression,